Right, so we had our breakfast and now we are at this museum Samudra Flor De La Mar. So my son is buying the ticket, which is 6 ringgit for adults and 3 ringgits both for children and senior citizens. Okay, here we go, entering. By the way, that is not the sound of the engine of the ship or the replica, but rather the engine of the sound of the engine of the blower machine that they used to blow all the leaves. So showing to you this replica of the Flor De La Mar ship, which is made out of cement and steel. We have to be careful when climbing up these staircases because it's quite slippery. It's been raining since in the morning, especially in this area of Malacca. And showing to you the entrance to this beautiful museum right here, the Flor De La Mar replica, which once used to sail right here in this water. So I have to whisper just enough for you guys to listen because we are inside this museum, which is, you have to be not loud, but still I have to convey some important messages to you guys. So here's the inside of this museum, which shows these kinds of documentations showing and telling you guys what happened. And here are the replicas of the the miniatures of the ships, all sorts that used to sail to the Straits of Malacca. They are properly labeled so that you can know which one is which ships came from which countries and the regions of the world. Some of the instruments that has been used on those ships, lights and flares, and this should be the scopes that they used to find the direction when they go sailing. Climbing down onto the next level of this museum, and I like this kind of staircases, spiral ones. And oh, weapons, and oh, look at that, cannonballs, weapons and cannonballs, and swords. So these are the genuine cannons that they shoot the cannonballs from. Oh, yeah, these are the old coins. This must be worth at least like hundreds of thousands, maybe. So this must be the treasure cases where they store those expensive coins. You pay for that like 6 ringgit adults per adults. You are entitled to foreign admission to this museum Samudra, the other block of the museum, and also right there across the road, this one. Okay, so this museum right here, this building right here, it shows a lot of those like navigations and mapping and all of those documentations, old testaments. Do you call that testaments? I'm not sure, but if you are interested in the battleships and all of those weaponries, so you should cross the road and go over there. Ada cotai. Pelaku belakang.
Dia keluarkan lah, dia ajar kat situ apa tempat-tempat.
So this is the Flor De La Mar Museum, and thank you for joining me, and let's go to another interesting point in Malacca.